So hi team, this is a video demo for alpha testing, and I'm on the part for the social media icon links. This one. Okay, so when I check here, the default the ID for this is try this step, YouTube, Twitter, and Facebook. Now I will update this on the dashboard. I already updated a while ago, but let's try again. I change the ID for the social media's account, and it's not updating here. I already hard refresh this, Control Shift R. It's still not working. So this is the problem with the social media icon. It's not redirecting to the social media of the user or the member when they updated it here. So let's check it again. So as you can see, it still tried this step. It should be changed to their social media ID. Okay, so that's the problem with that.